Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your following information in your profile post tab on Bigo Live. Right now, you have to go to where I am right now, and to get here, all you have to do is look at the bottom of the screen. There are 5 icons. You have to click on the bottom right corner icon, the me icon, and that will take you to where I am right now. After you get here, we have to look at the top right corner icons. There are 2. We need to click on the settings icon, and after that, as you can see, we have a lot of options, but all we have to do is click on the first option, privacy. And as you can see, it has hide location, hide your online status, hide your recent active time, comment post, do not disturb from strangers, do not accept strangers' line invitations, and then you have hide your following information in your profile post tab. You flick the switch and we're done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.